What's up, YouTube and Facebook? This is Machete. 1000cc, 2006 CBR, double R. Who gives a shit, really? It's just a fucking bike, right? Oh, let's see. My name is Sharky. That's my rider name / nickname / God knows what else I use it for. So thanks for watching my shit. I'll forewarn you now, I curse like a sailor, and I don't care. Well, let's get this on the road, shall we? Alrighty. Let's see here. We're in hot as shit, sunny California. Let's go rolling. And if you know where I am, this is Fresno, California. Behind River Park, Edwards Cinema. Really expensive place to go see a movie. Yeah. What's going on, everybody? See, what I want to talk about today is mufflers. The Machete here, the way I bought it, had a muffler with a broken tip. I'll give it that it was extremely loud, but I liked it. I didn't care. But Fresno Police Department did care and pulled me over, based solely on my sound. But then he noticed that my muffler was quote-unquote inadequate, and also my license plate was unvisible to him. So, fuck it. It's in the works of being repaired. Well, the muffler is. Got a brand new muffler on this bad boy, and it sounds perfect. Got a Two Brothers Racing carbon fiber pipe, or something to that effect, which is illegal in California. You cannot buy it in any retail shop within California unless you know somebody with a backdoor connection to, I don't know, like Arizona, Nevada, Oregon, or something like that. But I bought it off Amazon and had it shipped to a California address. So what kind of shit is that all about? Who knows? Fuck it. Fuck you looking at. So yeah. That's where I'm at with these thoughts. But after about an hour with my master mechanic and his bike GoPro, oh shit, his bike Go Fast, excuse me. Give or take about an hour watching him do it all, because I'm like totally not mechanically inclined. I'll probably end up breaking the damn thing before I even attempt to take it out of the box. After he worked on it, he got it on there, strapped her on in, fitted the pipe and all that good nonsense, and we're going. Probably hear a little bit in the background. That is if I ever shut up. Yeah. Aren't you? I don't love you either. But, you know, it's just weird that he didn't have a decimal thing because I didn't ask. I know, you're probably watching this thing. Goddamn, Shark, you could have asked about that thing, got the whole thing taken care of, clean as clear. I decided not to because I'm just a complete fucking moron. And that's because I was pissed off because I was pulled over on the side of the road with a fucking hot-ass sun, and I just wanted to get on my merry fucking way. But no, my bike was too loud. Oh, yeah. Well, my favorite thing that the cop told me is, I asked him flat out, saying Harleys are like really loud. They come with those pipes that just fucking boom. And what did he say? Oh, they're exempt from the rules because they ride Harleys. Which tells me right off the bat he's a Harley rider instead of his police-issued BMW. So that pisses me off royally on that part. Because those of us on European, what country is it? Asian manufactured machines are not allowed to have loud bikes. So if you ride anything else but a Harley, you have to be quiet on the road. I mean, like, extremely quiet. It's fucking stupid. But hey, everyone's got their bullshit to bitch about. So yeah, the reason why pipes are illegal in California is because the EPA standard for sound. Keep in mind, bikes don't need to be smogged until they fucking pass that law. More money for the DMV, right? So yeah. So the pipe I got is not EPA certified as far as sound. But, you know what we say? Fuck the EPA. I blame the Simpsons movie for the EPA becoming well known. Oh yeah, shit happens. Life goes on. You spend more money on a fucking machine. Fuck it. As long as it rides and you get to go have fun on it, that's all that matters to me. And that's all I've been doing. Is spending money on it and riding it, breaking shit. But not even really breaking shit because I'm not the one pissing and whining about everything. It's about the fucking sound. Yeah, shit happens. The license plate, I will give him that. It was bent so that it doesn't hit my back tire because it's under my tailpipe. That bus came out of nowhere. So I'll give him that. It was a little bit distorted to see. But it's still visible, mind you. But whatever. You know. It's a simple fix, God willing. Yeah. I would have a video of Machete's original pipe that I had on it, but unfortunately the camera angles were all wrong on a lot of them. And the other ones, apparently my GoPro doesn't want to record sound. Go figure, I have no idea. Who gives a shit, really? I was really wanting to do a before and after sound quality video, but oh well. Oh god, fucking bumps. Yeah. That's what this video is gonna bitch about. It's god damn the fucking Mufflers, California fucking law. Fuck. Feel every single bump there is known to man on this road. Even the bumps that aren't even there yet, I'm gonna feel them. Yeah, you know, if you like what you watch, listen to me bitch and gripe about things, I don't care. Subscribe. Shoot me a like. If you don't like it, you don't want to watch any more of it, well, I appreciate you at least viewing it. So, you know, give me some insight on what else to bitch and talk about. I want some ideas, some fresh ideas. I want to know what you think on us. On me. What do you on me? Give me 5 minutes of your spotlight and attention. Oh. I want to wish you all safe trips, good rides, keep the wheels on the deck. Unless if you're like, what the fuck's his name? Downshift 83, pops the wheelie just about every time he gets on the bike. Oh, that's a fucking bump. Keep one wheel on the deck at least. Be safe out riding there, guys and girls. And I will catch you on the next video. See ya.